Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll receive the notification for our upcoming videos. Today in this video, we are going to talk about Vivo Apex 2019, unveiled with no buttons, all-screen fingerprint sensor. Let's take a look. The Vivo Apex 2019 concept phone is here and it packs some serious tech. It's powered by a Snapdragon 855 chipset. It has 256 GB or 512 GB of storage, 12 GB of RAM, and with 5G technology. The last two are first for Vivo. Arriving just a day after Mizo announced its take on the portless, buttonless phone, Vivo's Apex 2019 is a rather different beast despite similar looks. For starters, the Apex 2019 has a port of sorts, whereas the Mizo Zero relies entirely on wireless charging. The Apex 2019 uses what Vivo calls MagPort, a magnetic connector on the rear that's used for charging and data transfer. The 6.3-inch AMOLED display of the Vivo Apex 2019 doubles as the speaker by using piezoelectric transducer to emit sound. It's surrounded by very thin bezels with no sight of the selfie camera. What's more interesting is the full display's fingerprint scanning. You can touch almost anywhere on the screen to unlock via the in-display fingerprint scanner. This would make it the most advanced in-display fingerprint scanner out there. The Vivo Apex 2019, like Mizo phone, uses a combination of capacitive touch and pressure sensing to replace the standard power and volume button on the sides. This way, you get the functionality of the buttons while retaining a seamless buttonless design. The dual camera on the rear is a 12 megapixel plus 13 megapixel with an LED flash. Vivo hasn't said a word about the selfie camera. It is a pop-up slider, or does the concept come without one? We also don't know if the Vivo Apex 2019 has wireless charging and if it's waterproof like the Mizo Zero. Since this is a concept phone, don't expect Vivo to release it to the market in this exact configuration. Still, last year, Vivo showed off the impressive Apex concept and later on released the NEX that uses a bunch of its technologies. Vivo will show off the Apex 2019 concept phone at the Mobile World Congress in February 2019. We'll be there to bring you a real hands-on then. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a fresh news regarding Vivo Apex 2019. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel, My Technological World, and peace out. Take care. Bye-bye.